Why did we decide to go with D&G? Darren and his crew came to our neighborhood and did a presentation about basement finishing, and one of the things that he mentioned was, if you can dream it, I can build it. And that just stuck with me, and I watched their website, looked at a bunch of design ideas and things, and I was really impressed with all the work that they did.
The spaces we're choosing to remodel are the kitchen and the living area, mainly because this house wasn't built with a mudroom, and there's a back room that would fit perfectly for that, with a couple of edits. And so we're really looking forward to that open model that people started building after we bought.
We are most excited about just having an open floor plan, having a little bit more functional kitchen and living area that just flows better within the whole house.
Better flow with the kids coming in and out, cooking, preparing, things like that, mudroom, storage, all of that.
Just a general betterment of the house.
Yes.